don't get you. What do you mean about 30 minutes?
Yes, it's 30 minutes. But let me explain to you. The injection is too more powerful. Badede la Yoruba man pe.
Badede?
Yes. After 30 minutes, somebody inject èèyàn pẹ̀lú poison injection.
Wow. Well, Doctor, yeah, thank you very much for your time. Yeah, the thing is, we are really progressing. Now, with the help of this map, you can see this is the school, Imperial High School. Now, Ewolosoke straight, this angle here, there is an exit here. From the look of things, is not known or open to the school here. Serve a lot of purposes. Now, we have a pharmacy here. This exit is important. Don't forget what the mother said. She said she dropped in exactly 7:10. Now let's calculate. Doctor will pay 30 minutes. Look my chef. Dropping in 7:10. He might possibly go back from this place to this exit, to this pharmacy, or can go out of this place at that time and return with the syringe to inject in, because they were both at the assembly ground. Don't forget that they had to go back to the assembly ground exactly 2 minutes to 8. So our focus, our target now is this pharmacy. From the look of things, shop behind you, but it's locked. Kill what she buy you. Any come on here. Detective to do, please. Approach her.
Sísí mi, jọ̀ọ́ ká sàn. Èèyàn kan ni mò ń béèrè ládùúgbò yìí. Ó ń ta oògùn òyìnbó.
Màmá Kejì nìyẹn o. Ṣọ́ọ̀pù wọn nìyẹn ní báyìí.
Oh, good.
Mi ò tí rí wọn látàná. Ṣé o pé ara wọn ò yá? Bọ̀ ilé wọn ò jìnnà sí ìgbà yìí.
Okay, ṣé kò pọ̀ ṣá?
Mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀.
Anyway, Joshua lè mú mi dé ilé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn.
Ṣé kò sí sá o?
Kò sí anything a kàn fẹ́ rí wọn. Ó ṣe mò ń bọ̀.
Àbúrò ẹni tẹ̀ ń wá lọ nìyẹn.
Hello, sir.
Ẹ ká sùn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ CD chemist là ń béèrè.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ máa ṣe kò sí.
Kò sí nǹkan kan. A ti wá wọn dé shop gan-an sọ pé ilé náà wà.
Sister mi lẹni tẹ́ ń béèrè.
Okay.
But wọ́n strong díẹ̀ nínú ilé náà wà. Àti ọ̀sán náà ti kúrò ní shop náà ti wálé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ṣé kò sí?
Kò sí nǹkan kan. A kò fẹ́ rí wọn fún nǹkan pàtàkì ni.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ẹ ṣọ́ pé kò sí.
Kò sẹ́nìtì.
Auntie me! Auntie me! Move.
Torí